Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5. Let's take a quick look at what information we have on the box itself. Real-time heart monitor, waterproof up to 50 meters and has magnetic charging as well. What else do we have here? Yes, it has an input current of 250 mA max, input voltage of input voltage of 5 volts, which is not much to be very fair. This device has a battery capacity of 125 mAh. It is compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 or above. Has a lithium polymer type battery, water resistance of 580, was Bluetooth 5.0, which is pretty great. Now it's time to open the box. Let's see what we have here. This is what you get inside the box. The kind of three compartments. This I believe has the documents. There's the watch right here and some accessories over here. Let's take a look at the accessories first. We take it out like this, and what do we have here? This looks like a charging. It is a charging cable actually. This is a USB Type A charging cable. This is the part that connects to the smartwatch. We'll come to that in a while. But yeah, this is a charging cable. Let's keep this here. Yeah, this is the Mi Smart Band 5 user manual. It's a long one, not very long actually, but yeah, you should read it at least once so that you know what you're getting into. Finally, let's take a look at the smartwatch itself. Or rather, sorry, the fitness band, the Mi Smart Band. Yeah, this is what the Mi Smart Band looks like. It's very sleek, has an ergonomic feel to it. This is by the way is not leather. This is rubber, so which makes it durable, more durable than most things, to be very fair. The display is 1.1-inch AMOLED, and that's about it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mi Smart Band 5. Thank you for watching.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now.